So hey awesome people, welcome back to my new video. I am Tudu and today we will learn how to do dynamic analysis using OllyDbg. Beside OllyDbg, we will also use another tool IDA for static analysis. Before we start, if you love my videos and learn something from it, then please subscribe, it's free. Your one subscription gives me more motivation for making this type videos. Thank you. So before we start, we must have to know what is dynamic analysis. Dynamic program analysis is the analysis of computer software that is performed by executing programs on a real or virtual processor. For dynamic program analysis to be effective, the target program must be executed with sufficient test inputs to cover almost all possible outputs. Now it's time to make our hands dirty. Here we're going to use a simple crackme from crackme1.site. All link is in the description. Download all the files and the tool. Now open OllyDbg and make sure it is running as administrator. Let's get familiar with OllyDbg. This is disassembly window, this is register window, this is memory window, and this is stack window. Whenever we do something, we can see changes in register window and stack window. So we are going to start our analysis by loading our target program inside IDA. Let's run our target program once and note the output. Here is our target program crack this. If we run this, we can see a output in the screen and it is input password. It is asking password from the user. Let's type a random password and we can see we get error and a loop running saying try again. Let's back to IDA and find this output. In IDA, go to View, hover over the open subviews. From the list, choose String and also the shortcut is Shift F12, whatever you want. Let's find out our program. We can see here it is. Click on this and we can see where it is stored. Now click on the format and press X to see from where this DB is being called while we are running this program. Click on any of it and here we are. This is a graph view of the program and its instruction. This graph is look like a flowchart. Yes, this is actually a flowchart. Remember the loop on fade? Here it is. We can see a string congrats. It means if we successfully crack this, then we will get the output congrats. And if we go below, in this section, the program finishes its execution.